Hello everyone. La 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 la. Hello everyone. Hello, how are you? Look my ears and my nose. Look at me. Miren, I have 2 ears and 1 nose. And what do you think? I think I am a dog. Yes, I'm a dog. Oh my God! Oh, look! I have a cat in my head. Tengo un gato en mi cabeza. ¿Qué hace ahí este cat? Look, how nice it is. And now look. There is a bird. Yes, a yellow bird. It's Tweety. Look, miren. Hay un pajarito amarillo, yellow. Wow, I have 2 friends here. Look. This is a mouse. Yes? He is gray and he is brown. Okay, listen. We are going to play, yes, a game about animals. Yes? Vamos a jugar un juego de adivinanzas de animalitos. Okay, pay attention. Ok, vamos a elegir de las 6 qué animal aparece. Number 1. What's this? It is a fish. Yes. Number 2. What's this? It is a bird. Number 3. What's this? It is a lion. Number 4. What's this? It is a dog. Number 5. It is a cat. Number 6. It is a rabbit. Excellent. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado y hayan recordado todos los animales que aprendimos. Nos vemos la clase que viene. Bye bye. See you. ¡Mua!